So let's do another example. This one says Molly has $45. I'm going to stop right there. That's before I even finish the sentence. What do you think we might do with that 45? Huh? Spend it? No, focus on the math. Spend it. I gotta really be specific on my questioning. How might we use that? We're solving equations. If she has $45 in her wallet, might I somewhere in the equation say equals 45? Are you guys to that level yet? Okay. Which is 3 times as much as her brother. In that statement, what do we know about her brother? Nothing, really. Might be a variable attached to her brother's money. Okay? Let's write an equation that represents that. Do we know how much money her brother has? Do we? Tell me the exact amount that it is. Huh? Well, yeah, you've done the math, but it's an easy problem to figure that out. But based on the information they've given us, without solving anything, we really don't know. So what we do know is that Molly is equal to 3 times whatever her brother has. Right? Because that's what they told us. We also know that Molly has $45. So if I want to figure out how much money her brother has, I just need to solve this equation. And it's a one-step equation. What do I do? Divide both sides by 3, right? These 3's will cancel, and I'll get 15 equals B. So her brother has $15, as he said. Okay. What property of inequality did I use here? Or not inequality. What property of equality did I use here? Division. So I used the division property of equality. What does that mean? I divided on one side of the equal sign, so I divided on the other side of the equal sign to keep the equation equal. And we'll go a little more formal on that tomorrow. Okay?